Hello everyone, my name is Bharat Konda. I'm a trademark attorney. Today I will discuss about how to trademark a business name. Further, I will also discuss how to trademark a slogan or a tagline. A business is formed when you register your business name and pay the registration fee with the Secretary of State. Most of the time, you can do the business registration on the Secretary of State website. A business can be a corporation, LLC, sole proprietorship, or a limited partnership. There are a few other options where you can register a business. After business formation, everyone needs to consider why and how to trademark a business name. The answer depends on your brand strategy and comprehensive trademark search. First thing you need to consider is whether an exact business name is available for federal trademark registration. However, the availability of the exact business name is not determinative of whether you can get a federal trademark registration. Then you may ask how to determine the availability of a business name or trademark brand name for the type of goods or services you provide. The answer is comprehensive trademark search. It covers all databases, including federal USPTO database, 50 states databases, territories, common law, domain name, etc. Assume that you are providing goods or services of a certain type in interstate commerce. What is interstate commerce? You can define it as a sale or offer of goods or services across state lines in the United States or between United States and a different country. Also, there is a possibility of a known or unknown competitor with the same or similar business name. They may provide the same or similar goods or services like you are providing. There is a high likelihood of a query in the form of an office action from USPTO. After comprehensive search, if the business name is available, then you may need to determine whether there are any other likelihood of confusion factors. These factors are between your business name and other registered marks or any other unregistered marks or common law senior marks. What are common law senior marks? These are the marks that are already in use before you started using your business name. So they have priority over your business name if they started using ahead of you. Relevant factors include whether your business name is arbitrary, fanciful, suggestive, or is it descriptive, generic, etc. Fanciful and arbitrary and suggestive marks have strong trademark protection and can easily obtain a trademark registration due to the inherently distinctive nature to identify a product or a service, whereas descriptive marks and generic mark registration are harder to get some or any form of trademark protection. Especially generic marks do not receive any trademark protection. When you apply for registration for the first time, descriptive marks are usually placed on the supplemental register. Always you want your trademark to be registered on the principal register. I will explain the differences between principal and supplemental register in a different video. So for descriptive marks to be registered on the principal register, you need to show that your mark has acquired distinctiveness through secondary meaning. I will explain the concept of secondary meaning in another video. If the USPTO examining attorney determines that your business name is eligible for trademark registration, then the name will be published in the official gazette after 1 month from eligibility determination. When there is no opposition to your trademark business name publication from the public based on harm, then USPTO issues a trademark registration. Let us consider examples of a business name trademark. Verizon is a telecommunication multinational corporation. It has a family of trademark registration. Each trademark registration provides a unique purpose based on the nature of services they provide. The first trademark reflected goods and services from early 2000s. As technology evolved, it diversified its services with trademarks and service mark for the type of subsidiary businesses. The examples of several subsidiary businesses of Verizon include Verizon, Verizon Wireless, Verizon Business, VZW. Let's consider how to trademark a tagline or a slogan. The process for trademarking a tagline, slogan, or a phrase is similar to trademarking a business name. The following is highly advised before you apply for a trademark registration. These are the following steps. First thing, you need to analyze the exact phrase, slogan, or a tagline available for federal trademark registration. Then you need to look at how to determine the availability of a phrase, slogan, or a tagline for the type of goods or services you're planning to provide. Comprehensive trademark search covers all databases, including federal USPTO, 50 states databases, common law, and domain names. Consider whether your goods or services of certain type are in interstate commerce. If you conclude that the phrase, slogan, or a tagline is available after a comprehensive trademark search, then you need to determine whether there is any other likelihood of confusion factors between your phrase, slogan, or a tagline and registered marks or unregistered common senior marks, etc. Relevant factors include whether your phrase, slogan, or a tagline is arbitrary, fanciful, suggestive, or is it just descriptive or generic. Arbitrary, fanciful, suggestive marks have higher protection compared to descriptive and generic marks. Descriptive and generic marks receive lesser protection when compared with other type of marks. Descriptive marks sometimes are only eligible to get registered on the supplemental register. In order to move the registration from supplemental to principal register, the descriptive marks need to acquire distinctiveness. Distinctiveness can be acquired by secondary meaning. The secondary meaning concepts will be explained in another YouTube video, whereas generic marks do not receive any type of trademark protection. So it is of utmost important for you to determine whether your mark is generic or not. If your mark is generic, it is in your best interest to change the name of your business name, phrase, or slogan, or a tagline. Whenever the examining attorney determines that your phrase, slogan, or a tagline is eligible for trademark registration, then the phrase, slogan, or a tagline will be published in the official gazette after 1 month upon approval. When there is no opposition to your phrase, slogan, or a tagline publication from the public based on harm, then the USPTO issues a registration. Let's look at the examples of phrases, slogans, or tagline trademarks. State Farm is a famous insurance corporation. State Farm maintains a family of slogans or taglines. These taglines are highly useful for marketing purposes. They include the following famous taglines: Born to assist, steer clear, it pays to double check, every customer, every interaction, every day. Like State Farm, you can also use taglines that are relevant to your business and not cause the likelihood of confusion to other businesses in your area. You can also alternatively acquire distinctiveness after using these taglines for some time and notoriety in public through marketing. During this process, you can obtain trademark registration on the supplemental register. Once you gain notoriety and acquire distinctiveness, you can just always transfer your registration from supplemental to principal register by applying to the USPTO. Please feel free to contact us to discuss our services regarding trademark registration for your business name or phrase, slogan, or tagline. Why hire me for trademark legal services? I offer comprehensive trademark search, trademark registration with USPTO, office action response, trademark renewal, trademark monitoring, statement of use affidavit, trademark assignment, any incontestability affidavits, etc. I also offer copyright registration services. Please check my website at affordabletrademarkattorney.com. We have comprehensive guides on everything related to trademark, copyright, and patents. You can contact us via phone at 612-440-1784. You can also email me at info@affordabletrademarkattorney.com.